Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your POCO M8. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to adjust the brightness in these settings manually. So we want to scroll down in these settings to display brightness. Now here, we want to go over and make sure that we change our brightness right here by just swiping with our finger, and that we disable automatic brightness off because it destroys our manual setup. Now, if there are still some flickers even after testing a lot of brightnesses, then what you guys can do is download the screen dimming app from the Play Store. So go here, click search, and search for screen dimmer, and then OLED Saver. So it's right here. Now we ignore the sponsored app, it's paid, so we don't need that. We want this app right here. It has 4.4 stars reviews and it's only 1 megabyte. So now we open it. Here we give permissions. As you guys can see, this is to modify the system settings to change the brightness. Now here we enable the accessibility, so whenever you open up a keyboard, so change the overlays, or whenever you rotate your screen, it has to of course change it too. So that's why you give this permission. It won't do anything to your phone or steal anything from your phone. Now we want to grant permission for notifications, and here, as you guys can see, we just click enable service and it already works. So we can balance it out right here. As you guys can see, we can put it like that. And if we don't like it, we can just disable it by tapping here. But then remember to change your brightness back lower. So, as a last resort, what you guys can do here is go to settings, then go over to about phone and tap on HyperOS. So this way you check for software updates. And I have no updates available, but if you do, then make sure to do them because they're very important to do. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.